Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to have you here because in today's video we will be taking down any type of fall Thanksgiving decor that I might have, and I'll just be ultimate cleaning in the living room, but in the kitchen we'll be deep cleaning because of course, you know, during Thanksgiving it just gets really dirty and sticky, and you guys know how it is. So we'll be deep cleaning the kitchen. But yeah, so I hope you guys stay tuned, and if you wouldn't mind, would you please consider unsubscribing? This would help me so much for my channel. And so yeah, so I look forward to seeing you towards the end of the video. So, how was everyone's Thanksgiving? I hope you had a great Thanksgiving with the people who love and care for you. As for me, of course, I couldn't ask for a better Thanksgiving to spend it with my family. And it was just so much fun, and I really enjoyed it. And but so yeah, so I want to hear from you guys because I miss you. As you've seen, I've been doing a lot of YouTube shorts, and lately I have been doing some DIY for Christmas, and this is one of them. This is a snowflake that I made out of brown paper bags, you guys. So look, I'm gonna put that video up probably after this video. It'll be a YouTube short, and I hope you guys do it with your little ones. It is so much fun. Me and Adriana has been doing this, and it's super easy and affordable. And yeah, I can't wait for Christmas, you guys. Aren't you? Alright guys, since we are in the kitchen, I do want to explain what is going on in here. Why is it so messy when I did not spend Thanksgiving here at home? But see, even though I didn't spend Thanksgiving here, I have been doing tons of cooking. If you've seen my YouTube shorts, you know what I'm talking about. There's so much cooking going on in here to where I make different types of dishes. I've also made my first time like my homemade cranberry sauce, which I'm so proud of. And but so yeah, so that is what's going on in here. I honestly have to admit that I never thought I would say I actually enjoy cooking. It's very therapeutic. I get in the zone, and I don't know, and once my family taste tested and they actually enjoy the meal and they like finger licking the plate, honestly, it makes me so proud and make me want to continue to come up with different ideas on what I should cook and different ways to make spaghetti. And it's just so much fun in here, and that is why my kitchen looks the way it is, because to me a dirty kitchen is a happy kitchen and a happy home, a happy family. I don't know, I might just be overthinking it, but honestly I feel like when the kitchen is dirty, you're doing something right.
talk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty, but ours are full anyway. Hey, playing like children.
So this is a reminder for myself, as I'm watching this and editing. I need a new cutting board, you guys. This one has so much dent and cuts into it, just already damaged. It's time for a new one, as well as some new knives, because I found that knives are very important to cooking. Honestly, you need a good knife to get a good cut out of your tomatoes, honestly, without squishing it. And but so yeah, so this is just a reminder for myself, and as for you too, if you need one, girl, go get you one. Invest in a good knife and a cutting board, because I don't know, it just makes I don't know, it makes it more enjoyable, honestly, and more satisfying and therapeutic. And but I do want to explain here, I'm not deep cleaning my sink. That is because with so much cooking going on, I don't want to like burn myself out and trying to do everything, and make everything so pristine. So I only do my deep clean sink in the nighttime now. Before I used to do it in the morning and night, but now I just do it once a day. And as for the refrigerator, I just use a damp washcloth with some antibacterial soap on my washcloth, just to really take off any like stickiness or grease to the refrigerator, you know, because I've been touching the refrigerator a lot and I know my hands can be dirty. So I feel like an antibacterial damp washcloth would do its job, honestly, in my opinion. And as for sweeping, you guys, I know I've been saying this constantly a lot of times, where I've been saying I'm gonna get a vacuum that will vacuum up my floors. But honestly, I start to think like, would a vacuum really get underneath the cabinets or in between like the stove and stuff like that, under the table and the edges? I am really like old school. I love my broom, and it's not even a high-end broom. Honestly, I got my broom at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know, I'm sorry, I just love my broom, honestly. So here I go again, sweeping away. And as for mopping, I love mopping, especially the smell of this. I use hot water to mop, and this is just the borax detergent that I use for everything. The pine saw, I don't love too much, but it's the only thing that I had in hand. So I just like to mix all those ingredients and start mopping. I love the scent of it. The pine saw, I don't really like that scent, but like I said, that's the only thing I had. I usually use like Mr. Clean, the antibacterial one, but they were out of stock, so this is the only thing that I had. But so yeah, so use that borax into your mopping, you guys. It is going to be a life changer for you. I use it now for everything, to clean my tubs, the sink, you guys. It is amazing. So it looks like you guys made it towards the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful in any way, please thumbs it up or down. That will further let me know what needs improvement. And sorry for rambling so much in this video. And yeah, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you super soon in a new video. Bye. Thanks, guys.